Hello everyone. So today we'll continue chapter 20, revision of this chapter, and today we'll take the last topic of this chapter, plateaus. Plateaus, or we called it the tableland. A plateau is a broad and more or less level stretch of upland that rises sharply above the neighboring lowland. It is also called a tableland. The surface of the plateau is not always smooth. It is generally rocky, rough. The Deccan Plateau in India extends over thousands of kilometers. The Tibet Plateau is the highest in the world, and it is called the roof of the world also. There are large plateaus in Africa, Australia, Asia, North America, and South America. The plateau land is generally rich in mineral deposits, and like the mountain regions, life in the plateau regions is also very hard. Land is not smooth, so it is difficult for laying roads, railways and canals there in such areas, and that is the reason these areas are not much populated. Next is the types of plateaus. Children, types of plateaus are not given in the book, but still we should know which different types of plateaus are there and how they formed. First is the tectonic plateau. Vertical earth movements may uplift vast areas of considerable size. Their examples are the plateau regions of peninsular India and the West Australia. These are the examples of tectonic plateau. When there is some movement, vertical movement in the earth, then the tectonic plateau formed. Second is the intermontane plateau. When plateaus are completely enclosed by high fold mountains, then these intermontane plateaus are formed. Examples are Plateau of Tibet, then Columbia Plateau in the USA, Bolivian Plateau in the Andes. Third type of plateau is the volcanic plateau. These are formed when the molten lava may come out from cracks on the earth's surface slowly due to volcanic activity. Means the volcanic plateau formed due to the volcanic activities. Examples are the Deccan Plateau of India and the Columbian Snake Plateau of the USA. Fourth type of plateau is the dissected plateau. Now, how they formed? These dissected plateaus are formed due to the high extensive erosion, the continuous process of erosion that form the dissected plateaus. Means high extensive plateaus may be eroded by continuous process of erosion. And the surface of these plateaus become highly irregular. Examples are the Turkish highlands. So these are the four types of plateaus: tectonic plateau, intermontane plateau, volcanic plateau, and the dissected plateaus. Now our next topic is how the plateaus are important to us. Importance of plateaus. Children, plateaus are rich storehouses of minerals. Even mining is the chief occupation of the people in the plateau region. Like if we'll talk about the plains, there the main occupation is the agriculture, the farming. The same way in the plateau regions, here the main occupation of the people are the mining. Second point is the plateaus have rich grazing grounds. They help in sheep rearing also. And the black soil of lava plateaus are ideal for the cultivation of crops like the cotton. Means the black soil is very good for the cotton crop. The plateaus may have rich forest cover also. They attract the tourists also. So, these are the points of their importance. Now, the first is plateaus have rich grazing grounds. Second, they help in sheep rearing. Third is they are ideal for the cultivation of crops like the cotton, means their black soil. Then fifth is the plateaus may have rich forest cover. Then last is plateaus are rich storehouses of minerals also. So these are the points of how the plateaus are important for us. These are the all 5 points. Now children, today's homework, the one word answers, and apart from these one words, I'll give you more questions also that you will get in the PDF file. Children, whatever I am giving you in the homework, you have to write also and you have to learn also all these answers. So the first one word is the roof of the world, that is Tibet. The Deccan Plateau is located in India. Plateau is also called a tableland. A broad and more or less level stretch of upland that rises sharply above the neighboring lowland, that is plateau. These are the 4 one words. So children, today we have revised plateaus. Second, the types of plateaus: tectonic plateau, intermontane plateau, volcanic plateau and dissected plateaus. After that, the importance of plateaus. Here we have revised the 5 points in the importance. First is they are the rich grazing grounds, then help in sheep rearing also, ideal for the cultivation of crops, then they are the rich forest covers, then they are rich storehouses of minerals. After that, the one word we have done. That's all for today, children. Keep smiling, be happy, do your work nicely. That's all. Bye-bye.